Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, and I'm so excited to meet you at my keynote for the Power Communication Contractors Association on March 2nd in beautiful and fabulous, but maybe not so fabulous as Cleveland, Nassau in the Bahamas. We're going to be talking about manufacturing engagement, how to keep your talent from becoming theirs. Because face it, you spend so much time, effort, and money trying to find the ideal employees for your business, and then they leave. So how do you keep them? How do you create that type of culture that makes people want to stay? Well, the nice thing is it's going to cost you a lot less time, effort, and money than you may think it does. So make sure that you're there 10:45 in the morning on March 2nd. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I will see you in the Bahamas. See you then.